The Espresso Martini is one of the biggest selling cocktails in the world, especially in Australia. But do you know the true origins and the original name for it? Well, keep watching and you'll find out. Six espresso martinis, please. How many times have you heard that? Here at the 18th Amendment, we have to pull out the big mega shaker and shake away. They are super popular here in Australia and everywhere around the world. But did you know that it was originally created in 1983 by the legend himself, Dick Bradsell? Dick worked at the Soho Brasserie, and apparently a famous model had been out having a massive party that night, and as she came down and had to take off for another photo shoot, she said, "Dick, I need you to make me a cocktail that will wake me up and f me up." He added vodka, coffee liqueur, sugar syrup, and espresso, and that's where it was born. So I'm going to make it for you now. So they're all different types of specs for this drink. I'm going to make it the way that I like it, and I'm going to start with the quality vodka. I'm going to use the Manly botanical vodka. The reason that I'm using this is because it has wattle seed in it as one of the botanicals, and it gives a really nice nuttiness in the espresso martini. And first up, I'm going to use 40 mils of that. If you don't have the Manly botanical vodka in the country that you're in, just use a really quality vodka, okay? Next up, I'm going to use 20 mils of the Manly coffee liqueur. I also like using the Decaipa or Kahlua. Then I'm going to add some sugar syrup to it, about 15 mils. And last but not least, 30 mils of a quality espresso. I'm using the coffee here at Coffee Cartel, which is just next door to the 18th Amendment bar. This is an Ethiopian blend, and it is amazing. And it is important to use a really good quality coffee. Gonna give that a shake. Make sure you shake it up really well. We want to get that really nice crema on the top of your cocktail. All right. Then we're going to fine strain it into a martini glass or a coupette. Look at that. And for my garnish, I like to use 3 coffee beans. 3. How simple is that? It's the espresso martini, and I'm going to give it a try. And by the way, before I try, it is not an espresso martini. We get that all the time. It's espresso. It's me being a little bit pretentious there. Yeah, that is so good. I really like it, as I said, with that wattle seed that comes through in the botanical vodka. Really super simple, guys. If you like espresso martinis or any of my other videos, please subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.